Welcome to my channel Travel Lovers, your portal to exhilarating adventures across the globe. Watch breathtaking travel experiences and subscribe today and become a member of our travel-loving community. Today's video about Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic, is one of Europe's most enchanting and historically rich cities. Here's an overview of what makes Prague a must-visit destination. Prague is Central Europe, situated on the Vltava River. Population, approximately 1.3 million residents. Language, Czech, though English is widely understood in tourist areas. Currency, Czech koruna, CZK. A temperate climate with warm summers, June-August, and cold winters, December-February. Prague's history is founded in the 9th century. Prague's history is steeped in medieval architecture and culture. Golden Age, during the 14th century, under Charles IV, Prague became the capital of the Holy Roman Empire. Modern era, after the fall of communism in 1989, Velvet Revolution, Prague emerged as a vibrant cultural and economic hub. Prague's main attractions are Old Town Square, Staromestské náměstí, famous for its medieval astronomical clock, and Gothic tin church. Charles Bridge, Karlov Most, a stunning pedestrian bridge adorned with Baroque statues. Prague Castle, Pražský hrad, one of the largest ancient castles in the world, overlooking the city. St. Vitus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture located within the Prague Castle complex. Jewish Quarter, Josefov, home to historic synagogues and the Old Jewish Cemetery. Petrin Hill, offers panoramic views of the city and features the Petrin Lookout Tower, resembling the Eiffel Tower. Prague's culture and arts are theater. The National Theatre and Estates Theatre are iconic venues. Music, a city of classical music, associated with composers like Antonín Dvořák and Bedřich Smetana. Literature, the birthplace of Franz Kafka, whose works have left a significant cultural legacy. Art, galleries like the National Gallery showcase Czech and European art. Prague's cuisine is traditional dishes like svikova, beef sirloin and cream sauce. Trdelník, a sweet pastry, though its authenticity as Czech cuisine is debated. Goulash, a hearty meat stew, served with dumplings. Drinks, renowned for its beer, Pilsner Urquell, Budweiser Budvar. Prague's modern life are public transport, efficient metro, trams, and buses connect the city. Nightlife, a mix of traditional beer halls, modern bars, and vibrant clubs. Events are Prague Spring, Classical Music Festival. Signal Festival, light art installations. Christmas markets, renowned for their charm and festive atmosphere. Tips for visitors: best time to visit, spring, April-June, and fall, September-October, for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Prague blends a rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, making it a must-see destination for travelers. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like, comments, and share.